Hey, Dr. Jones here, and today we're going to be talking about how we can balance our hormones naturally. We're surrounded by so many toxins and chemicals that it actually wreaks havoc on our endocrine system, which can actually lead to low T, thyroid issues, infertility, and also adrenal fatigue. So by the end of this video, you'll have 4 tools that you can use on a daily basis to help balance your hormones naturally. Number 1, you always want to test, not guess. So here are some tests that you can do. You can do a saliva test, which tests your hormones at the cellular level. You can also do a blood test, which is going to monitor the free and active hormone levels. You can also get a comprehensive hormonal panel for males or females. And lastly, you can also do a urine test, which actually tracks your hormone levels throughout the entire day. Number 2, you always want to acknowledge your emotions. Whatever is going on internally will ultimately affect your health. And different emotions manifest different diseases in different organs, such as fear, anxiety, and unforgiveness. So what can we do to help combat that? We can always do counseling, we can do acupuncture, Reiki energy healing, and also some deep breathing exercises. Number 3, you always want to consume healthy fats. For instance, avocados, which are high in antioxidants and also omega-9s. You also have coconut oil, which is a medium chain fatty acid, which also helps to stabilize blood sugar. You can also use coconut oil for oil pulling and use it on your skin. And then you also have walnuts, which are high in omega-3s, which makes it highly anti-inflammatory, which we all know all disease stems from inflammation. But also don't forget about Brazil nuts and hemp seeds. Number 4, you always want to supplement with herbs. Herbs such as ashwagandha, saw palmetto, dandelion root, and red clover. So in this video, to recap, we discussed 4 ways to balance your hormones naturally. So before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also tag someone in this video who you know it will be beneficial for. And also don't forget to hit the bell at the top of the page to get notified when new videos are uploaded every week.